Here you can see the annual fire trends for the area near Surprise, Arizona. All you need to do is to go to GlideFinder.com, search for the area of your interest, select a years range and aggregation type. In this case, you can see the annual aggregation. You can also select monthly, daily, or non-aggregation, in which case you will see the raw data for each satellite scan. You can also see some stats from US Fire Administration and demographics from US Census. Now, there was a fire in this area recently. If you want to search for active fires, you go to active fires, type in your location, and you get this map. The blue rectangle shows the area for which we're currently pulling the satellite data. And you can slide the tooltip on the timeline and see the time and date of each satellite scan. Okay, if you want to receive alerts and interactive maps for your location, you have to subscribe to the system. That's pretty straightforward process. You add your credit card and choose the subscription level. The basic difference is the number of locations that you can add and the level of the details. Now you add a new location, type in your address, or you can type in the coordinates if you want. And one important step, you need to verify your phone, and after that you're pretty much done. When the satellite detects the fire, you will receive an SMS like here. You click the link and you get to the GlideFinder page, which will load the reports and interactive map for the location that you define in the system. And you can see how the fire spreads, trace it back to the origin. If you define multiple locations, then you will receive a single link in SMS, which will lead to the system. And you can see that you have multiple reports here. When you click on the report button, it would lead to individual maps. And those maps look exactly like on your phone and behave exactly the same way. One important note to make is that we collect data from a visible infrared imaging radiometer on board of NASA's SOMI satellite, which makes 2 rotations around the Earth per day. So depending on the location of the satellites, the delay between the ignition and the detection could be up to 12 hours. We're currently working on integration of GOES 16 and 17 satellites, which would give us much smaller delay.